Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact PC Financial Customer Service. Firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address bar, type down pcfinancial.ca and enter it. And once you're inside this home page, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom here. And from here you can also go to this contact us, or you can also select this FAQs, which is frequently asked question by the customer. Over here, so I'm going to open this one. And after that, you can find the most frequent question. And if you find any relatable topics from here, you can also open it. And after that, you'll find the instruction here. And if you need more help, what you can do is scroll all the way to the bottom again and select this contact us. And from here, you can scroll a bit down again and you can simply find this number here. And if you're outside the North America, you can call to this number. And if you have any hearing impaired, you can call to this number. And that is it. That is how you can contact PC Financial Customer Service. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.